And we cut across to the latest details coming in as Congress has released a manifesto in Bihar, and ironically in its manifesto, Congress has announced that it will make laws to protect journalists in Bihar after it comes to power. While on the other hand, it is a part of the government in Maharashtra that is conspiring against Republic Media Network. My colleagues Anuj and Prakash are joining us. And Anuj, before I come to you, Prakash, I want to come to you because isn't this out and out hypocrisy? With the way the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi is targeting Republic Media Network and Arnab, and a Congress insider who was stung by Republic himself went out to reveal on how there is an all-out plot which is actually being hatched by the top bosses in the government to unleash their men on Republic. They go out to put this in their manifesto.
Well, yes, I spoke to Mr. R.K. Singh, Union Minister for Energy, and he has categorically said that he's been aghast the way Mumbai Police and the Maharashtra government has attacked Republic Media Network and Arnab Goswami in particular. And he's also went on to say that within the legal framework, Republic TV has all the right to lodge a case, and as we have already lodged a defamatory case, but he said that a proceeding, that is a departmental proceeding, should be started against Parambir Singh for raising false and malicious campaign against Republic TV. Remember, R.K. Singh has been the Union Home Secretary, and he's been an IAS officer of repute. He was considered as one of the most honest IAS officer in the country, and him saying all these things does matter something because he is in a responsible position in the Union Cabinet. Now, he has attacked both Parambir Singh and Uddhav Thackeray. He's also attacked Uddhav Thackeray, saying that when a person with no experience becomes a chief minister, this is bound to happen. You start targeting someone, and media is the fourth pillar of democracy, and media should not be gagged. So, Suesha, when I was in Parsa Assembly constituency following a campaign trail of Nitish Kumar, all of a sudden I could see that when I was walking out from the campaign, people, after seeing the Republic boom, they came out all of a sudden and started raising slogans for Republic Media. And it was spontaneous that Republic Bharat and Republic TV is doing a fantastic job, and Republic Bharat and Republic TV is being targeted. So there is huge amount of support from the common people, and I'm here in the rural hinterland of Bihar, and the kind of support I saw today after seeing this R-Mike was unprecedented, and I couldn't believe myself the kind of support the Republic TV is getting. And this is for Mr. Uddhav Thackeray and Parambir Singh to see as to what the common man feels about the way Republic TV had launched a relentless campaign for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. What was your other question regarding, I believe, some manifesto?
Prakash, let's also get a word from Anuj, because Anuj has a detailed insight into what the manifesto is stating. Very bizarre, Anuj, because we've seen the kind of attacks by the Congress on Republic Media Network in the last 10 months. And here is the Congress talking about media freedom and protecting journalists. What does the manifesto state?
Well, exactly at this point in time, first we have to understand that, or rather we are understanding that Congress, before releasing their manifesto or writing something in their manifesto, they must have done the study, because what they are stating there is that they are going to give freedom for the press. They are going to make certain laws for the journalists so that they can do their journalism fearlessly. And is that something what we are seeing in Maharashtra? This is a bigger question in front of Congress party itself, because this is out in public domain today. This is very much out in public domain, that what is happening in the state of Maharashtra. And this is the Congress party which is in power in the state. This is the alliance of the Congress party in the state. So that is something what we are continuously seeing. And this is the sting operation which has been done by the Republic Media Network, in which we have clearly shown how the Congress party has built a team specifically to look after our news channel. And there they are talking about the freedom of journalism. They are talking about the freedom of the reporters. So on the other hand, where they are stating that we are going to work for the journalism, we are going to work for the reporters, we are going to work for the journalists. This is something which is very much clear, out and open. Again, I'm saying, and that is in public domain, what is happening in the state of Maharashtra. That thing is making it very much clear that what exactly is happening in the state of Maharashtra. Because there, the congressman, the insider, is making it very much clear what exactly the situation is and what Congress party is looking to. So is this something that Congress party have their different rule in the different state? Whenever this is about the politics, whenever it is about the elections, that Congress party is going to have different agenda or different line. Is this something that is something which need to be clear by the Congress party themselves? Because on one state we are seeing, if we talk about Maharashtra, how the journalists are not able to do their work, or rather not allowed to do their work, or rather every tactics has been used up by the party over there. They are making a team over there to stop Republic Media Network, and this is out in open. So that is something which need to be clarified by the Congress party themselves, what exactly their agenda is. Is this again the manifesto if we are talking about, then is this something what we call Jumla? Is this something that they just need to write something in the manifesto and that is why they have written the same? Because if we are talking about journalism, then yes, freedom of journalism need to be understood by the Congress party when we are talking about the state of Maharashtra, because this is again I'm saying out
and
in
who
open.
can forget, Anuj, how you were arrested by the cops while you were reporting in Maharashtra, kept in jail for 4 days, and the kind of treatment that was meted out to you. The nation has not forgotten that, and this is the Congress that stands completely exposed. On that note, Anuj and Prakash, thank you for joining us.